Hi, my name is Lindsay Mindenhall, and I just finished up an internship with Colliers International as a valuation intern. How did I choose Colliers? I probably did what most other students who need an internship do. I started asking all around my ward and my friendship circle if anybody knew of a internship that was needed or if their own company was hiring for an internship or something part-time. And a friend of mine in my ward actually sent me an email, and in it was a Wikipedia definition of commercial appraising. I immediately responded to him and said, "Wow, that sounds actually very interesting." And then he emailed me back a new hire packet. And before I knew it, I was doing my internship at Colliers. And I'm so grateful that I did. It was such a wonderful experience. What college classes did I take that I felt like I really used in my internship? I would say definitely accounting helped me a lot. With commercial appraising, they receive income statements from the owners of the businesses as to how much income they made and how much they spent on their business or on their mobile home park or their apartment complex. And so then we also had rent rolls that we looked at to see how much rent income they were getting. So I definitely used a lot of my accounting terminology and report information that I had learned in Accounting 101 and 2. Also, my Excel class that I'm currently in, I used my Excel knowledge a ton. Before I took my college Excel course, I was very, very limited in my Excel knowledge, and I felt like I was actually at one point in my internship, I was teaching my boss how to do a VLOOKUP. And so I was very grateful for my Excel knowledge. At the internship, I did a lot of research on the computer. It was a lot of me sitting in front of the computer researching different things like zoning maps and property tax statements. And I made a lot of phone calls, research related phone calls, not telemarketing phone calls asking companies how much their rent was and if they had vacancies and how many mobile homes they had in their particular mobile home park or how many apartments they had in their apartment complex. I enjoyed this work a lot. Um, I gained a lot of experience from my internship, like working with a team and the roles and the organization of an office and the different responsibilities that the different people held in the office. I think the thing that improved me the most and that I gained the most from my internship was confidence. I went into the internship with very little work experience. I've been a stay-at-home mom for 10 years, kind of running my own business and my own daycare business. And so it felt good to be out in the workforce and to know that I could do it and to know that I could handle it and to know that I could be an asset to a team. How will this help me in my future? Is in the long term, my husband and I plan on him retiring at a young age and us buying and flipping homes and renting them out and basically being landlords. And I feel like I learned a lot about the real estate market from this internship. I learned about value and rent and zoning and parcels and taxes and things like that that I think I will use a lot in my future. Advice that I would have for any future interns would be to ask lots of questions. Don't guess. Don't waste time trying to figure things out. I set up a quick instant messaging in my office where I could just ask a quick short question and somebody would send me a quick short response. And it saved so much time and I felt like it made my work more accurate. The second thing that I would say as an intern too is sometimes you get a little bit forgotten. They give you your list of tasks. It gets done relatively quickly. And then I kind of found myself the first day or two just kind of sitting there trying to look busy. But I immediately discovered that I needed to send out a mass text to the team and see who I could help and how I could help them. And there was every single time there was an immediate response that I received with a task given, and it made me feel like I was a real go-getter and I was trying hard. And I think everyone there appreciated that also. Um, in conclusion, at first, an internship seems almost like a little bit of an inconvenience, but I learned so much from it, and I look forward to my next internship that I have to do before I graduate. And I would also recommend working at Colliers for any future interns or as a career. It was a wonderful place to be and a great company to work with. And that's my internship presentation. Thank you. Have a good day.